Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas.
So yes, and also to help me unwind in the day, I also decided to invest in some nice bath bombs. This is with essential oils and flowers. So there is peppermint, sweet orange, lemon, rose. There is lavender, which I absolutely love, especially for relaxing. There are 8 pieces. And also I decided to invest in a Yankee candle. I got this one from TK Maxx. And this is Magical Moments. And you can see the snow, which we are getting ready for winter now. And I am not joking, I have smelt this fragrance. If you are thinking of getting, they are really cheap in TK Maxx. I find that TK Maxx are selling the cheapest Yankee candles. The ones in Amazon, they are doing them like 20 and some of them are over £20 for the same size. This one, I think I got this one for, I think it's $9.99, and that is a good price for a quality Yankee candle that takes hours and hours of burning. So lovely. So I'm looking forward to that, but I just want to have a look at my bath bombs so I can refill them in my bathroom. So let's have a look at those. I'm sure that these, I think they're individually wrapped. I don't want to open them. I just want to open them in this box, but I don't want to open the individual wrapping just because I like to just do it when I need it. So, but I'm interested to find the cat, so I'm just interested in seeing what they look like. Very difficult to get this box open, but yes, I can't remember how much these were now. I think these were I'm thinking $8.99 or $9.99 from Amazon. I could definitely put the link down below for those as well. Yeah, so you can have a look yourself. But I think it's about that price range. Oh, here we go. So I love this because when I saw the pictures, they were beautifully wrapped in this lovely paper. And I like the fact that they're not just the bath bombs that are just, you know, I love the ones that are wrapped up, and especially in this beautiful rose paper. It just looks very delicate. And obviously they are aroma bath bombs. So relieve the pressure and enjoy your aroma bath. And that's exactly what I'm intending to do. So like they say, there's 8 in there. And yeah, I love the box. I love the packaging. I love this little pink paper. It just looks really nice. If you're even thinking about getting Christmas gifts, anybody, these are perfect gifts for Christmas. Like I said, I'll put a link down below. And for this one, it was from, like I say, TK Maxx. And again, it's a great gift to give to somebody because I got for Christmas last year a Yankee candle. And I do appreciate that because I'm still using it. So yes, great gifts as well for Christmas. So I'm in my bathroom now. And I'm just going to take the lid off gently. This is a glass. Where did I get this? I got this from Amazon. And I just want to fill this up gently. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to be putting in this beautiful pink paper as well. A little bit of that in there. I think that makes it look nice. Not too much, but just a little bit in there. And then I'm going to be placing in the lovely delicate bath bombs. So there we go. They look really pretty. And it's well due because this was empty. All my bath bombs were gone. So I'm refilling up with these lovely aroma bath bombs. Trying to take the tags away. There we go. You know, there's me getting worried that they wouldn't fit in, and then look, they all fit in. So, apart from one, which is not a problem. I got a home for that one. That's for tonight, for my nice bath, with my bath bomb. So there we go. So as you can see, there's all my luxurious bath bombs in the nice glass vase there. And I do love all the colours. They look so delicate. And as you can see, I placed them in so we try not to see all the tags. So yeah. So here for my luxurious bath, I have this. and this is from Baylis, and I do like the products. I have the same in the hand wash and a cream, hand cream, and this is just my luxurious pink magnolia, and it is bubble bath. So I'm really happy with that. And then here is my Yankee Candle diffuser in lemon lavender. And I told you I do like lavender because it helps me to relax. There's the bath bomb. I did say I'll find a place for it. And also I'm using Epsom salts. And these are great, lovely colour as well. And just have a look at those deep, like light purple, violety salts there. And they're going to be great for my bones at the end of the day, and lovely fragrance as well, and that's just going to help me relax. I'm going to be putting a tea light in here when I'm ready to go, and yeah, that will be for my bath time. And as well, luxury, I did say Baylis and Harding, I do have the hand wash and also the hand lotion as well in the Velvet Rose.
Have chosen my pajamas that I'll be wearing when I come out of my bath. So the water is running now, and just love the sound of that. I'm going to be using my Epsom salts and just put a few drops of that into the bath. Here I'm just going to open my diffuser and pop in the little sticks in there and just let that scent come out. So that's lovely. What else? Oh yeah, my bath bomb. I'm just going to unwrap that and get that in the bath as well. So here we go. Let's just release that and have a look at that. Look at that. I just love the bath bombs that just spin in the water, and it's like releasing all of the herbs and everything, the essential oils that were in there. So all that great goodness is, all the smell is beautiful. It's all going into the bath, and can't wait to just get in there and have a lovely soak in this lovely bath. And look at that, amazing. Look at all that. And obviously it's not going to be a bath without some bath foam. So here we are, the Baylis and Harding bath foam is just going in now, and that's going to be the last touches to having a lovely pamper. So I just can't wait to get in there. So I do hope that you enjoyed that video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also please make any comments down below, and please join me again for more fabulous ideas. I got these prints from IKEA. So these are really nice canvases I got from IKEA, and towels, new towels that I bought from Debenhams. So see you all soon. I'm just going to get into my lovely bath.